Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the vacuum bag on the Dreame X50 Max Ultra Complete. If you're interested in the X60 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. We'll try to link to some vacuum bags as well. So first things first, we got to identify on the station where the vacuum bag even is. It's going to be under this cover right here, and there's two arrows down at the bottom. So you can grab down there and then just pull that cover off. Let me show you that as we flip it over, just to give you a better bird's eye view. Grab, pull. There's just 4 tabs up top, so it's very easy to install and remove that cover there. And that reveals our vacuum bag. So your bag should look pretty puffy here, right? Nice and full. You would open it up. You could see on the inside that you have a lot of contents overflowing. Really nice design on these vacuum bags to seal that so you can move it around freely without, you know, making a big mess all around your house and putting all the contents back out that it works so hard to vacuum up. So dispose of your old vacuum bag. You can use some compressed air or just blow in here if you feel like you need to clean any leftover debris. But then you take your new vacuum bag and you'll line it up. The gray just slots right down in there. And you gently press it in. There's a little black tab there too. So when you push down the top cover, there's a little square that will go through the black tab right there. Put the vacuum bag in. Take your cover. It's only going to fit one way. So this side's for the solution tank. And you can use that arrow as your guide. That's the bottom. The tab's up at the top. I like to just line the tabs up first and you just gently press it back in. But that's it. Simple and straightforward to swap out and change the vacuum bag on the Dreame X60 Max Ultra Complete. There you go.